day everyone, hope you all well and fine. This side Manish, trusted head of Trenity Consultant. Today here with me Mr. Osama from Jordan. We have received the positive skill assessment from the Vitasis as a construction project manager just within 3 days. We have filed the application just 3 days before, and with the fast track, he has received the positive skill assessment result. Congratulations, sir.
Thank you,
Many congratulations.
Thank you.
Please accept this your assessment result.
Hi everyone.
Yes, sir.
My name is Osama. This is my positive skill assessment and Vitasis. I do my best and collect the correct information, and here they help me to get my positive skill assessment as soon as possible. And I invite everyone to come here and doing whatever they want. Trenity Consultants is a very good company. They will help you. They will make whatever you want to achieve your goals. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir,
Thank
for
you,
your
thank
kind
you.
words, and looking forward to have a successful result as an application, entire application.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.